everyone! So, I want to do a glittery eye using this. We'll get to what this is in a moment. So basically this is eye glitter. Never used eye glitter before in my life. So I am just kind of like wanting to try it out, play with it and hope to God that it actually works. So this is the BYS Glitter Body and Face Kit in the color gold. There were lots of different colors to choose from. I just really, I thought, why not? If I'm already playing with it, then why not it be gold? So the price was €4.50, so a little bit less than 5, and you get a really big glitter, a smaller glitter, and a big inside here. I'm going to open it up in a second. You're going to get some glitter glue as well. Glitter glue, very fine milled glitter, and big chunks of glitter. So if you turn it this way, you can just pop it out like this. You get quite a nice big 10 grams. 10 grams of this glitter fix primer, that's the correct name. And then you also get both of these little ones that need a little bit of power to just be popped out, and you get 1.5 grams of each. So a very finely milled glitter and one a little bit more chunky glitter. So if you take the lid off from here, and it's gonna splatter everywhere now, so if you take it off, there is a small stopper, like a plastic thing here, and you can either use your fingers to go in and pat it everywhere, or you can use one of the little eyeshadow things that I never use. I usually just throw them away. So if you go into the glitter with this and then kind of put it on the glitter fix primer, it stays nicer, it goes less everywhere. It's going to go everywhere anyway, but it goes a little bit less everywhere. Let's start playing. So I already have some concealer on my eye, but I'm going to go into my fluffy brush and the Catrice palette, and just going to take the white one here and going to put it a little bit more so everything's nice and the same color on my eyelid at the moment. And next I'm going to go, you know what, let's create a crease line first with a little bit of browns, and then go into the other one. So going back to the Catrice palette and going to take the brown shade and just going to start putting it into my crease. So going to take the little bit darker color and going to put it into my crease a little bit as well, and just smudging everything together with this really fluffy brush and just smudgy, you know the drill, just smudging everything so I have a little bit on my crease line and also going a little bit underneath as well. Definitely something going on in my crease line. It's not so sad and lonely and uniform anymore. So taking my actual mirror so I would see something. Yes, there is something in my crease. How very fun. So smudging it in a little bit more, and taking the H&M palette and just going into the purple one and going to put it into my crease line as well. So I think I have some kind of a smudgy thing going on right now. So going into the straight red, this is my Miyo one, and just gathering quite a lot and going in and hoping I'm not screwing anything up, because this other thing looked quite nice already. So as you can see, I'm also smudging it into the very inner part and then the outer part, and just creating a really nice look with smudging everything and basically everything. Just smudge everything together, because if you only go in with one color, you're not going to get such an interesting, you're just going to get a very one color look, and that's kind of boring. So always play with colors, even if you think those colors don't really work together. They will work together, just smudge them out. Okay, so I have a severe case of red eye going on, and I kind of like it. So I'm gonna do the other eye as well off camera. It's just so I could see them both together. I always want to see stuff together before I go on and move on to next colors and next colors and next colors. I just like seeing everything together as I just like it. So I'm gonna do the other eye as well, and then I'll be back with both red eyes, and then we can continue. Okay, so I have both eyes done and I hope they match. I mean, like with makeup, it's always you just go for it and hope that it matches. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to go into the Catrice one, and I am going to try to do the cut crease thing again, because I think I need to clean it up a bit. I have very hooded eyes, and I need a little bit more to play with, so I took some of the concealer cream on my finger, not my hand, my finger, and just patting it in like this, and just covering up. Wow. It's really, really bad underneath the eyes, but for this, it's actually really, really good. I mean, look at this. I have so much more room to play with now. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. I mean, like, look at this. So pretty. I have so much more room to play with, and I'm going to go in a little bit more and get it a little bit bigger, but it's so nice. I think I finally found something I have that I can use for cut creases. So I'm putting on a little bit more. I like it. It's really nice. So going to go in with a brush and the thing that was right next to it, which is a white powder, and just slightly patting the white powder on, so it's not, it's half liquid. It's, you know, like a sticky concealer that you have in a palette. So if I don't pat it in with something, it's going to get everywhere and smudge up the rest of my eye look. And I kind of like it where it is right now, so I do like it. So it's just patting it in and making sure it sticks. So it looks like this. I like it. So I forgot to mention that I have to have some kind of a little gold to use, a little bit more gold. So going into my BYS Metallics palette and straight to this really gold one. I don't think I have shown it swatched like this. It's like really, really gold when you swatch it. And taking it with a flat brush and now covering the whole cut crease part of it with this really gold one. So just, so the brush did nothing, so going straight in with my finger. Never be afraid to use your fingers. Your fingers always work the best. See, you kind of tap it and it already has some color. So always use your fingers if you need more. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is nice and golden. I like it. Well, it needs more in here, but I want to do the other eye so I would see them together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring the other eye to the exact same point this one is, or well, at least try, and then we're gonna continue on, and then I think it's time to play with the glitter. So excited about that. So gonna be right back. Okay, so this is what both eyes look like at the moment. Not the best, not the worst. I want to play with the glitter. I can't wait. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my hands and just going to take my finger again and just, well, making it a little bit less wet, and taking a tiny bit on my finger and going directly in the middle where I want the glitter, and just not blinking. It's very important not to blink. I mean, I know this theory, but I've never really played with glitter before, so this is really exciting for me. That's why I like doing it. That's why I wanted to do it, because I've never done it before and I just want to play with glitter. So getting my finger clean, trying not to blink my eye, taking my little glitter pot, and it's going to be everywhere, taking the little thing off, and going to go in with this little eyeshadow. It's everywhere. Be very careful. Taking a little bit of glitter and just going to pat it on my eye, and it's cool. It's everywhere, but it's cool. Oh, this is gonna take some time, isn't it? In theory, it looked so easy. My whole face looks like a mess, doesn't it? Okay, well, waiting for it to dry, and then just going to swipe it off and hope that everything's stuck, and I hope I don't get blind from using glitter. I never thought that would be a real possibility, but apparently, after playing with this, I think it is. So, the glitter is everywhere. The glitter in the place I want it to be looks really cool, but it's just everywhere. So, I'm going to do the other eye as well, and then going to clean up a bit probably on camera. It just annoys me a bit. Messy is fun to a certain extent, let's put it like that. And it's all over my eyelashes as well. Oh, I don't know if I want to play with glitter after this again. Going to do that eye as well. I have glitter absolutely everywhere, but the eyes look cool. So at least the eyes look really cool. So I think I'm gonna go and get all of the outer parts a lot darker, and then going to add liner So you know what? Oh, but the glitter is everywhere. So I don't know if glitter is my favorite thing to play with. I've never played with glitter before this. So currently I'm going to say it's not my favorite thing to play with. So going to just darken out the outer edges of my eye with the purple and the red, and just making everything a little bit darker. But I mean, the glitter looks cool. It looks really cool. It does look really, really cool. I can't get over how cool the glitter looks. So see, this is with the purple a little bit darkened out. So going to do it as well on the other arm. Was the cut crease technique completely needed for this? I don't think so, no. But why not? You know, I like it. It's everywhere, but I kind of like it. So going to darken out a little bit, and then before I get to liquid eyeliner, I'll be back. Okay, so I darkened out the eyes a bit with the purple. I'm going to go into the very, very golden yellow shade into the BYS Metallics, and just going to put it right here at the very center of the eye. See, it goes together really nice with the super glitter thing. I don't know about the glitter. It's nice. Can you see it? The glitter? Look. Can you see the sparkle? It's amazing sparkle, and it's going to be a real annoyance to clean everything out. So I don't know about the glitter, to be honest. I don't know about the glitter. It's cool for a bit, and then it gets annoying. So I'm gonna be back, but first I need to take my liquid liner out of this shelf. I forgot it there, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my liquid liner, and just going to try to create, let's go bold, really bold with the cat eye here. And I think I can't, can I go on top of the glitter? Yes, but it's gonna be all over my liquid eyeliner, so not going to go over the glitter. Just going to create a very strong cat eye black liner, and going to go into the waterline with my smaller liner, pencil liner, because this has like glitter everywhere now. So I need to clean this. So just going to create a very strong cat eye line, and on the other side as well. So be right back. Okay, so I added some into some pencil. Where's my pencil? Some pencil, Dermacol micro pencil into the waterline on the underneath, on the lower lash line. I kind of like the look. I don't think I'm gonna be playing with glitter very soon again, because it's so messy, and I think I'm gonna have a hard time getting everything cleaned up from the glitter, and I'm gonna be probably crying glitter for the next week. But it looks cool. It looks really, really cool. So I'm gonna add lashes. Basically, I'm gonna add mascara, lip gloss, a little bit more of a glow, and just finish everything up. And it's gonna be very theatrical and very extra. But why not? You know, it's gonna be fun. And that's gonna be the final look. So I'm gonna finish everything up. But I like the eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna play with it again very soon, but I like the eyes. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the final product. I look like a mythical being from another realm. I like it. The eyes look really cool. I think I'm gonna have a really hard time getting rid of all the glitter that I put on my face, because it's everywhere. It's not only on my eyelids, it's also here and here, and my, you know what, my hands are full of glitter, my clothes are full of glitter. So really nice. It looks really nice on the eyes. It is quite easy to apply, but it's so messy. Maybe I had it wrong, because I've tried it with my fingertip as well. It's even messier. So I don't know. It is really cool, and the glitter fix primer, that's the right name. It does do the trick, but I don't know. It's really cool. I mean, if you're going for whatever, a team party or something, like it's €5 and you get quite a lot to play with. I did use the smaller glitter. Maybe if I had not my best picking up thing, So if I had used a bigger one, maybe it wouldn't been as messy, but I think it would have been just as messy. So really nice, really fun to play with. I like the final look. I like my hair. It's a mess, but it's a cute mess, and I like the eyes, and I like the full makeup, and I like it. I had a lot of fun with it. Of course I like it. So thank you so much for watching my little weird video. They're all weird, but this one was like especially weird. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it was interesting, because it was very interesting for me, and I had a lot of fun. If you've seen this kit somewhere and thinking about buying it, it works quite well. It looks really cool, but it's a lot of mess. But I think all glitter products are really messy, so not a huge fan of glitter. I would prefer playing with the metallics, and yes, I do want to make a full video about all these really glittery, not glittery, but just really shiny metal ones. They look really pretty and golden. So thank you so much for watching my little video. I hope it was interesting. And thank you. What else but thank you for watching my weirdness. So I hope to see you again soon, watching some of my other weird videos. I have quite a lot by this point. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.